This recording is for the light box on reflection, absorption, and transmission assignment. It says turn on the laser so that the red light hits the end of the box. So first in this box we have, this is your laser, we have a mirror, a green translucent cube, and a red translucent cube. So it says turn on the laser, so I turn on the laser. Hopefully you can see this laser beam hitting the end of the box, okay? Then it says place the mirror so the red light hits the mirror and reflects toward another box edge. Make sure the laser does not reflect upwards. So I put the mirror in here, and I can see that the laser beam is bouncing off. We call that reflecting, right? When it bounces, that's reflecting. Let's see, that one's not staying very good. Okay. It says describe what happened to the laser after the red laser hit the mirror. Use one of these vocabulary words: reflection, absorption, transmission. So you complete that question. Okay. Place the red cube so the laser hits the cube. Okay. So again, I can see my laser beam. I'm going to take the red cube and put it in that red beam. I can see that the red beam continues through the red cube. Okay. Describe what happened to the laser after the red laser hit the red cube. Use one of these vocabulary words: reflection, absorption, transmission. Then place the green cube so the laser hits the cube. So here's my green cube. I'm going to put my green cube, and I see there is still some of this beam here, but I see that a lot of this beam stopped. Okay. So what do we call it when the light does not go through it versus when it does go through it? What do we call those differences? Okay, then the summary question. It says melanin protects our DNA from damage. Using the data collected from this lab, how do you think that the melanin in our skin protects us? So we think about, like, what is the green cube doing with the light? So that maybe it couldn't harm our DNA, versus if there's no melanin and maybe it could harm our DNA. What is the difference?